Alright YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video. It has been a couple days since I uploaded, but that's because I had some stuff I had to, do. But anyways, I am back, and today, as you guys can see, I am in the renders section of our server. If you want to post your own work and have me react to it, maybe give some advice, possibly, recreate it, feel free to share. So yeah, just some things I want to let you guys know about. We're gonna have a lot more interesting videos and content coming soon. Just some stuff like challenges, obviously more tutorials, but I'm just I'm just mainly talking about entertaining videos and just cool and funny stuff, and just stuff that you guys might find interesting to watch. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. So here's just a discussion. Let's scroll up and see the first 3 icons I made a while back from Ryzen. Let's check out the first one. I really like the depth of field, the blur, the lighting in the back here is pretty cool. I think this icon would benefit from some smoke, either in the background, or right here, anywhere. This thing, the sparks are a bit out of place. I like the glow. I mean, if you added some more elsewhere or added some smoke to complement the sparks here, it will look nice, but it's just this by itself looks kind of weird. Anyways, this one, I like this one. The flare, I don't like the flare because I feel like it takes away from the character. The character here is really nice, and the flare is just this bright light, just kind of taking the attention away from the character itself right here. If you just did like a volumetric light or something, just kind of shining like that, I think that would be really cool for this one. The third icon, this one's pretty good. Maybe just some the lighting is maybe just a bit too contrasted. That's really all I can say for this one. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's move on. Next one is from Batenzu, I think. Bloxy Games. I didn't know Squid Games was so a popular thing. I didn't know people were still making Squid Game games. Anyways, this one, I like the attempt on the 3D clothing, although I feel like it is a bit too wrinkled, and all of them kind of have the same wrinkles. You should mix it up a little bit. The hood, maybe add some slight reflections, specular. The background could be better. I would remove this texture that you have here. You also don't need the vignette. If you are going to add a vignette, don't do one where don't do one as linear as this one. Instead, go for like a radio. Just darken the background and put the focus on the characters. But this vignette is very boxy. Yes, I don't know how to say it. Okay, next we have Neb, Roblox GFX. This is a kind of more like a personal artwork with some more effects. This is quite unique. This is actually pretty unique. I like the art style. I like the style that you're going for. I think it's pretty cool. This is my character. Nice. I like this. Thank you for making this. I appreciate it. Okay, we have icons. I guess so. This is Spider-Man. I like the concept. I just feel like the whole thing is a bit too purple. And maybe zoom in closer to something more like here or something, because there's too much empty space here. Yeah, it's nice though. This one, Ichigo GFX. Cool style. Really like it. It works well for an icon. I really don't have much else to say for this one. Except it's really nice work. I like it. This is the render. I was going into that one. It's really cool. A Walk in the Woods from Killionaire Studios. A bit too dark, but I love the scenery. Maybe volumetric lighting. Yeah, I think this one. I think some sun rays coming down from where the sun is, obviously, would make this one very nice. Alright, the next icon is from Cast. How much should I price something like this for? Cosmos collab. I feel like the effects could be a bit smoother. I'm not sure how I would price this, but yeah, just some advice. I would make the background effects smoother. I would darken it, make the characters stand out more. I feel like it's just a bit too messy. So if you improve on that, that would really help you. My first banner attempts, pretty cool. I would work on. Okay, if you just picked a more higher quality background, this whole thing will be much better. I will also darken the background and adjust the character's lighting to fit the nighttime kind of thing. I'll make, you know, some blue lighting to fit the background, midnight kind of thing going on. First 2022 personal artwork. This one's nice. It's pretty cool. Lighting could be better for that one. Wizard and Warrior. This one's cool as well. Yeah, I will try to make this a bit more dramatic with some color corrections. Okay, so I suppose I will show an example of what I mean. Okay, so for example, let's see. I'm thinking you could, you go for something with this, right? You copy. Kind of like that. Let's just keep going through. So kind of like this nighttime stuff, right? And then what you can do is use your brush tool, use your color black, and then we can manually do some lighting stuff as well. So I'll have the lighting something like this right here. And then if you go to overlay or soft light, you will see the difference. You will see the difference like that. And we could remove this apart. It's a bit too strong. You don't want this too strong, but you can see how that looks. You could also make this glow a bit more to make this more interesting. Something like that. Because he does have these effects and stuff, so. Soft light, you copy this, make this go to color dodge, make this go into that. And also you can make a new layer. Brush tool, let's go to color dodge mode. Let's take this thing off. So now, let's just keep adding some touches to this piece. Kind of like this right here. Okay, overlay. So now you can see So now you can see how we're focusing in on the center of this piece. When you check the before and after, you can see what I mean when I said to make everything more dramatic. So now you can continue adding these little effects, and you can see this piece is really starting to take shape now, the way I wanted it to, so the way I was hoping, to what I was hoping it would be. This is alright. I'll use this a little bit, not too much. This is the last effect I'm gonna use, I think. Just go for a little bit on soft light and then go back to normal. Alright, this is cool. So if you take everything, Control G, make a new layer, image, apply, and then we just hit OK right here. We copy this layer, we go to filter, camera raw filter, and this is where the magic will happen. Let's go to basic, turn texture up, like that. Clarity up as well, up as well. You can see the differences right here. Texture go high up. Don't worry, we're gonna adjust these. So the blacks, you don't want too dark, also not too bright like that either, so turn whites down. Shadows, you want some contrast but not too much contrast, just a good amount. Don't worry, we're gonna adjust all these very soon. You definitely want some sharpening and some noise reduction to make everything a bit smoother. We're just gonna hit OK, and now you can see the before and after, and just like that, we have a very nice piece going on here. Oops, go for 60. Last but not least, if you merge these two and make a copy, we go for filter, blur gallery. I say let's go for an iris blur. Alright, and that is pretty much it. Let's check out the before and after from the very beginning. If we take this, now you see the before. Great idea, great concept. Now you can see the after. Anyways, if we check out the before right here, you had a great concept going on, but if you see the after, you can see everything is a lot more dramatic, cinematic. It's turned a very nice beginning piece idea here into something very presentable. I guess I don't know what other term to use, but yeah, that's going to be it for this video right here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. Check out our store, gfxcomment.com, and yeah, more stuff coming soon. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.